Well, good morning, YouTube, my 110 subscribers. I hope everybody's having a wonderful day. For me, yeah, it's the end of my work week. It's my Friday, and I got about another 5 hours, 4 hours to go. Yay. I'm ready for this day to be done. Anyway, it is Wednesday, July 3rd at about 2:30 in the a.m. I hope everybody's having a good one. I did manage to get over today to do the therapy, and pretty much they're going to be getting back with me to get scheduled for going and getting things done. She gave me a couple minor little exercises. Try to, yeah, I'm supposed to run around and pull back and try to keep my neck straight. And yeah, I've been trying to do a little bit more of that every day. So fun stuff. Anyway, let's see. Managed to get some groceries, about $70 worth, and that'll probably be at least 3 weeks. Yeah, I don't have to spend as much because I've got most everything in the house already, and I'm trying to get rid of a bunch of, I got a lot of canned goods. I really need to take and start eating more canned goods. If I don't, I'll give them to my aunt when I get ready to leave. Nothing else. They're canned goods. They'll be good for a long time. It is what it is. Anyway, my one of my therapists is one that was working with me on my shoulder 10 years ago. Is that right? It's about 10 years ago. Somewhere in that ballpark. Yeah, that's a good thing. She was real good then. I'm pretty sure she's still good now. So, yay. I don't know about you, but I'd really not like to have to do this, but it is what it is. Got to build myself back up. I have taken way too long of not being active. So, I got to get back to being more active. And that's so much fun stuff. Let's see. I'll be getting off here and going over and trying to get my dentist to grind these down. I didn't wear them tonight, so yeah. I got out of the house. I was tired and walking through, and got here and got it all took care of. Talked with the girl for a minute, and she went out the door, and my day started. So yay. Let's see. Like I say, this weekend I'm going to be trying to get a bit of mowing done again. But hey, it rains, and it rained here in the last 20-30 minutes. It rained a little more. So, yay. This is why I'm having to mow so often. High Plains Desert, we want the moisture. We want the rain. We're just not used to getting it this much. And everything being green in July? Oh my gosh, don't get me wrong, we almost hit 100 today. I think it was like 98, almost 99. So yay, that's a good thing. We're used to high temperatures. But yeah, the humidity being up high, and it dropped down real low. I think we're mid 70s, lower 70s, something like that for the day. Yeah, we're supposed to drop down to somewhere around 73, 72. Yeah, 72. Yeah, it's 72 right now, matter of fact. We might drop down to 71. We'll see. But with this cloud cover, it's probably going to be stay at about 72. It's cloud covers and it's raining, so yeah, probably won't lose too much more temperature. That's okay. It's nice outside. I know I walked around out there just 30 minutes ago. Very nice. Just before it started raining. Uh, it is what it is. Anyway, I was watching some videos folks putting up about Bohol. That's one of the places I do want to go visit. But another one I'm thinking about is Naga City. I like that area from what I've seen of it. And it's there on AH-26. So one way or another, I'm going to end up going through there and getting to check it out. I'm not in a big hurry to go racing through everywhere, but that's one place I'd like to. If nothing else, it seems like a good place to go start on the southern loop, northern loop, or call it a stop point for one of those loops, or just one of the legs. They're near Tall Volcano Lake, whatever you want to call it. Get on there and head that direction to Naga City. That's a good section of the AH-26. It looked pretty interesting. The ride, I saw somebody doing a loop and was running part of that. It's so beautiful over there. So yeah, I'm wanting to take and get there soon. One of the things I'm going to be doing here, probably August, September, is going to be trying to go get my motorcycle endorsement back on my driver's license so that I can get that taken care of and be able to, not have to go through the Philippines version of it. It's one of the things I can do here that'll be faster. Because apparently it's a long drawn process to take and get a motorcycle endorsement on a driver's license in the Philippines, from what I've seen and heard. So yeah, I'll just go ahead and get it here. And while I'm at it, I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and add in a international driver's license. Nothing else, one more form of ID. And well, in most cases, it doesn't hurt to have extra forms of ID. Keep one here, keep one there, and if you got a third one, keep it in another spot. Keeps you from having to worry about losing it all. So yeah, just another way of backing things up. Because one ID is 0. Because you lose it, you're out. 2 IDs is 1. Because if you lose one of them, you got one. And then you're really in trouble if you lose another one. But 3 IDs? But let's see. Once could be coincidence. Twice is questionable. Third time, if you lost all 3 of those, something is major against you. Yeah. So 3 IDs is a good idea. So I'm not bashful about it. I'd rather have an extra form of ID. And yeah, Texas ID, Philippine ID, and international ID. 3 is for me. It is what it is. So yeah, try and get that sometime September, October, and then by the time I get the paperwork for all that stuff back and go overhead, and I'll probably try to, I don't know, I might try to hold off until October. That way I can nudge it by the time I get that paperwork done and everything and get it back. I can go over and start the actual ID sometime in January. That way I get a little later in the season, and it gives me longer on my ID. I like that idea. So, I don't know. I'll probably wait till October. We'll see. Depends on when the class is. I found a couple places that do the class. So, but yeah, more stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna be trying to mow and, like I say, get in there and get the chicken coop tore apart this weekend. Part of it, at least, because hey, there's always more to do, and it doesn't seem to want to just jump up and do it all for itself and let me be lazy. So it's dragging me along and making me have to work to do it. So it is what it is. But anyway, I will be trying to get that done this weekend. And let's see, what else was there I was going to do? I'm forgetting. I'm drawing a blank. I'm actually tired. Might help if I got more sleep when I actually went and tried to sleep. I'm really starting to think I'm just going to start turning off all my phones. That way they don't go off every 5 minutes. I'm just getting tired of having things go off when I'm trying to sleep and disturbing my sleep. The hazard of having so much phone. Anyway, I did get some online shopping done and got a couple things coming this way, hopefully. I didn't get a computer, so yeah. Although I am still looking at them. Part of me wants to go ahead and get that M3 because it'll last longer and gives me, a new computer. But damn the price. I don't know. Costs. Trying to figure out what I want to do with my dollars. And yeah. Holding off a little longer, maybe see if, because they came out with the newer version, maybe the older version will drop a little more. I don't know. Anyway, this is Williams Philippines. I hope everybody's having a blessed day and hope it goes easy for you, because nobody wants a rough day. But anyway, I'm William, and hey, I'm Fish. Fish is out.